Kumshi benta ban kinti ke Jinghikai rafting hapok ke Jylla Myntri rangba ke Jylla konrat ke sangma hagen nyotrik naitung ula pelipat ba ke projek ban kinti ke Jinghikai Lieng belatip kumga rafting leni ke kayaking hawa Umtham ha ke Shillong Whitewater Village ke Badonak Shillong Umtham Ribon district. Hakini kesngi nalor Myntri rangba ke Jylla laidon ban sakhilang de kong Isawanda lalu Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jong ke Jylla kong Magdalene S Maulong MDC ke Umsning Arpit Upadhyaya, Deputy Commissioner ke Ribon, Giri Prasad, OSP ke Ribon, Bobby L. Nongbet, DSO ke Ribon, Ayand Vincent, Batshila Vincent ki Trai Jaka ki baju penlong ru ia kejingakop King Lieng Kayak Festival bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakren hakatiga sngi Myntri rangba ula ai kejingero ke bakrau ia ke Ribon Rafting Tourism Cooperative Society halor kejing persyang baklem syong tat ban ai Jinghikai bat ban pin pau nam ia kini Jinghikai ling bagi sap jenggi khun samla ke Jylla. Hakani kesngi nak Lieng ke Meghalaya Tourism kala ai sngo baru ia ki live hoteli ki life jacket sya ke Ribon Rafting Tourism Cooperative Society.
Ready? Masih Ribon apa? Tayo na.
Shikade bakane ka association kalala ban khop shakane ka kabenta batlayo ban don shikane ka Meghalaya rafting minta kasgi ban mismo baka don shisha ka potential kapdeng dikna samla bat dikna jong kane ka than hakane ka Jaka ban tu bit shushu ilagi hakane ka sport namal ban mismo baka ne ka wa ne ko Umtham kadai ka wen ki Jaka hakali batanan lo kapatay balo ko way kabalong naturally blessed ya kanika sports canoeing kayaking pati ka slalom kaya nakatagadaw kumlong nila ban kring shushu like sports persons ban one ban nila kay hangi kumlong nila shushu ban tumlong ya ka way niki landmark sites pati grill kin one ban petay kala ban ngin onglo ban ay kilat kamay unjak ko ikibrew kala ban shushu ikna kijongi badru iway na kingi ni kirmen kinyo ban job ya ki medal haki ibinsan ki dokter kunjo haka Olympics kita digin din kundiat
Resist from giving a very long speech, but I just want to tell you that I did not know about the existence of this kind of activity till about last year, about 2 years back. And last 2 years back, after our sports commissioner secretary had made a couple of visits, after the team that was under him had made few visits, we were made to aware of the different kind of activities that was happening out here. And at this point in time, I must recognize the efforts that have been made by Ian Vincent and by Sheila and all the other team members who have faced all different kind of challenges and yet continue to do what they are doing, and to finally see that the efforts put in are giving this kind of an output must be giving them a sense of some satisfaction today. And hence I congratulate them. I thank them for all the work that they're doing, and I also want to assure them that as a government we believe that people who have passion in them to do something that they are very much passionate about and believe in, and they put their heart and soul into it, well, government wants to support people like them, people who are willing to go that extra mile. And the least the government can do is support these kind of activities and these kind of people who are doing more than what is expected in one way. And therefore, I assure you, Mr. Yen and Sheila and all the other team members, especially our young sports persons and enthusiasts who are today really getting this opportunity to, really enjoy, be part of the sport, and which is not just a sport, but as was mentioned, it has got a huge potential for the state to really get a medal at the national as well as international level. You must be aware that government of Meghalaya has been scientifically working on ensuring that we produce good sports persons in the years to come. In the previous years, we used to depend on what the children are doing, and if somebody starts running fast, then we used to pick them up. If somebody starts getting a medal, we used to send them to the national games and the different games in different parts of the country. Today, we are going to the villages and we are screening the children to find out even before they know the kind of skills that they have. So a scientific approach is today being done in the sports department, and we have selected out of 15,000 children who have been screened, we have selected 200 super athletes, and we have selected about 12 of them who are outstanding is what I'm told. And they even have a potential to be able to win medals at international events. And hence I expect that in the coming years, with investments like these, with the kind of training that we're giving, with the kind of approach that this government is having, I'm confident that the sports sector is going to be and give us a huge opportunity for the students and the youth of our state. And let me assure you, the problems that you are facing out here, we will try our best to resolve them at the earliest. I understand that you have a problem of connectivity. We will work towards it. I have spoken to Deputy Commissioner. He has asked me that I might have to take it up at my level. So I assure you that I will take it up at my level and hope that we'll be able to get the connectivity soon. In terms of all the support for creating the infrastructures, we will give the infrastructures to you, but in the meantime, wherever the infrastructure is there, we will give you the necessary support to ensure that you can make it better than what it was. And in the time to come, as I said, because it cannot be constructed in a day, it may take months to really get the setup going, but I can assure you that we will invest from our side in this. I can clearly see the kind of potential that we have out here, the kind of opportunity, not just for the youngsters who are really enjoying this and I'm sure will shine at the national and international level, but it is also going to be a great opportunity for tourism, as was mentioned. So I really look forward that we'll be able to develop this as a very good tourism circuit, and we'll be able to really give a great experience to the tourists coming from all over the world out here. Of course, we have huge challenges when it comes to environmental and forest degradation. We need the support of the community in this, and so I hope that the Rangbashrong is here and others are here, along with the other headmen of the local localities and the villages around, along with our MDCs and other leaders. I hope that we'll be able to take concrete steps and decisions to ensure that we are able to preserve the pristine water as well as the river, the forest that we have. And it can only be done, as I said, if the community is together. So,
Kama, who couldn't be here today, who's put this together, and Mr. Rohan Banja, for all the work he's done. This is a project of the Ribon Water Sports and Tourism Society Limited, recently formed, and the Meghalaya Canoe Association is also functioning from this site. Now I want to just give a talk for a couple of minutes. I'll give some background on what we're doing here about whitewater sports in Meghalaya. So the first person in Meghalaya to introduce whitewater sports was Mr. Zoba Lalo. I don't know, where is Zoba? There he is. Zoba is the pioneer of whitewater sports in Meghalaya, and we came through our contacts with him, and we came here in 2015 to this site, and we started training the local youth in kayaking. We've done that as a family venture, not with any support or anything, just as our family. We provided kayaks and equipment and gear and training for free to any local boys and girls who wanted to do it. And we formed this water sports cooperative society in February 2022. And this April, the Canoe Association was formed. So everything is just in infant stages right now. So for the first 7 years, this project was our family project, but then the society was formed, and now it's a community project. It's handed over to the community. And so these last 7 years, we've been raising support for the local youth, and we've sent them away to festivals, kayak festivals in Karnataka, in Kerala, Uttarakhand, and for some of them it's their first time out of Meghalaya. They've taken them around. Also, we've sent rafting teams to Arunachal, Uttarakhand. Also rafting as well teams to represent this state.